Hello there, and welcome back to the channel. I'm a British person enjoying life and food here in Monterrey, as well as, of course, the rest of Mexico too. Now, on Thursday, the World Cup began, and the opening game was Mexico versus South Africa. Now, in an earlier video, I said I would do a World Cup challenge of the food and drinks, etc., between Mexico and its opponents. Sadly, I didn't do one for Mexico-South Africa. And the idea was going to be chicken feet, because there is a dish that they have in South Africa. Let me check my notes. Which is called amankina, or sometimes known as makwanda. Which sounds like something from the Marvel universe. And that was going to be against patitas mexicanas. But my butcher doesn't sell chicken feet. Such is life. And every other South African dish that I've looked at always is beef-based. And I don't eat beef. So I couldn't do it. But we are going to postpone the match and have it later, probably after the games between South Korea and the other game with Czech Republic, or Czechia, as it's now called. I prefer Czech Republic, to be honest. So the next game will be, or the first game in this culinary challenge. Sorry, my brain-mouth connection wasn't working there. Is going to be the ramen challenge between South Korea and Mexico. Who is going to win that one? Maruchan or Yiko? We will see. I have my doubts. I hope on the field Mexico win, but I think in the ramen challenge maybe Korea has slight edge. We'll see. I mean, I haven't tried them yet, so let's see who wins that one. But I will try and find a suitable South African dish. South African cuisine isn't really one of those that's kind of up there that people will say, oh, I love South African cuisine. The only thing that you could probably compare might be biltong, the dried beef, with carne seca. But I can get carne seca, but I can't get biltong. I wonder if Amazon sell it. Or maybe teas. Maybe rooibos against a Mexican herbal tea. That's what I hadn't thought of. Well, let's see, shall we? Where can I get rooibos? Anyway, thanks for watching my little bit of drivel. And I will be back with you for the game between Mexico and South Korea. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Along the bottom of your screen you'll see various buttons. Please hit on one of those, join the channel, leave a comment and a like too. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now. See you soon.